Find the dot product and cross product of the following vectors. P is equal to I plus 2j minus 3k and Q is equal to 4i minus 5j plus 6k. Find dot product and cross product. Here given two vectors. So vector P is equal to P bar is equal to I plus 2j plus I plus 2j minus 3k. Okay, so vector P is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and vector Q is equal to 4i minus 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap. So here given two vectors. Okay, so here we need to find dot product and cross product. So first dot product is also known as scalar product. Okay na, dot product is also known as scalar product. So dot product and scalar product and okate. So dot product of vectors P and Q is denoted by vector dot product. This so okay na? So it represents this, here dot represents dot product. So vector P and vector Q, okay, is equal to here vector P is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap dot product vector Q 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Here I, j, k are called unit vectors in x direction, y direction, z direction. And here what is the coefficient of I cap? 1. Here 1 is called component of vector P in x direction, and here 2 is component of vector P in y direction, and here 3 is component of vector P in z direction. Similarly, here 4 is called component of vector Q in x direction, and minus 5 is called component of vector Q in y direction, and 6 is called component of vector Q in z direction. So let us find dot product. So dot product of vectors P and Q is equal to, so multiply x components, y components and z components. Simply multiply x components, y components and z components. I into 4i cap whole square. Okay, next x component into x component, next y component into y component. 2 into minus 5 minus 10, j cap into j cap whole square, z component into z component, 3 into 6 18, k cap into k cap square. Remember, I cap square is equal to j cap square is equal to k cap square is equal to square of unit vectors is always equal to 1. Now 4 minus 10 plus 18. 4 minus 10 plus 18. Now 4 plus 18, 22. 22 minus 10. 22 minus 10 is equal to 1. Therefore, dot product of or scalar product of vectors P and Q is 12. Okay na? So remember, result of dot product is scalar. Okay na? Next, vector product. Next we need vector product. So vector product find out shall next. So vector product denoted by cross and dot product denoted by dot. So vector product of two vectors P and Q is equal to modulus of or det of I j, k. So ijk means unit vectors. a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. So here a1, a2, a3. a1 is called component of vector p in x direction. a2 is called component of vector p in y direction. a3 is called component of vector p in z direction. Similarly, b1, b2, b3 are components of x, y, z. Here components of vector q in x, y, z respectively. In x, y, z respectively. See, it means, okay, first of all let us find a1, a2, a3 first. Vector p is equal to, given 1 into I cap, 2 j cap, next plus 3 k cap. So vector p is equal to a1 I cap, a2 j cap, a3 k cap. Okay. So now compare. Here a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 2, a3 is equal to 3. Similarly, vector q is equal to 4i cap minus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Okay. Now, similarly, so here vector q also, standard form of vector q is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap, where b1 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 5. Compare coefficients of unit vector in x, y, z direction. You will get b3 is equal to component of vector q in z direction, 6 is equal to 6. Substitute all values in this formula. Okay. So p bar into q bar is equal to ijk. So determinant of ijk, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. Now substitute all the values. P bar into P bar cross q bar. Okay. P cross q is equal to det of I, j, k, a1, a2, a3. a1 is equal to how much? a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 2, a3 is equal to 3, b1, b2, b3, b1 4, b2 minus 5, b3 6. Now find determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns. Find determinant. So I into, so find determinant of 2 3 minus 5 6. 2 into 6, 12, and minus of 3 into minus 5, minus 15. Okay, so minus j I cap minus j cap minus j cap, okay na, into minus j cap, okay na. So remove this first row and second column. Find determinant of 1 3 4 6. Find det of 1 3 4 6. 1 into 6, 6 minus 4 into 3, 12 plus k cap into, so eliminate first row and third column. Okay, so first row and third column. Find determinant of this 1 into minus 5 minus 2 into 4 I cap minus into minus plus 12 plus 15 27 minus j into 6 into minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus 5 minus 13 minus 13 k cap. So you will get 27 I cap plus 6j cap minus 13 k cap. Okay. So this is cross product of vectors p and q.